मौलाना शौकत अली कौन है और इनके बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं? मौलाना शौकत अली was a prominent Indian Muslim nationalist leader. He was born in 1873 in Rampur, India. Shaukat Ali was the younger brother of Maulana Muhammad Ali Jauhar. He played a key role in the Khilafat movement during the 1920s. Maulana Shaukat Ali was an important leader of the Indian National Congress. He worked tirelessly for the rights of Muslims under British rule. Shaukat Ali was a strong advocate for Hindu Muslim unity. He was imprisoned multiple times for his political activism against British colonialism. Maulana Shaukat Ali participated actively in the non cooperation movement. He died in 1938, leaving a legacy as a dedicated freedom fighter and Muslim leader. Maulana Shaukat Ali was a prominent Indian Muslim nationalist leader and freedom fighter. Born in Rampur, India, he was the younger brother of Maulana Muhammad Ali Jauhar, with whom he closely worked in the Indian independence movement. Shaukat Ali was a key figure in the Khilafat movement during the early 1920s, which sought to protect the Ottoman Caliphate and promote Muslim political rights in British India. Alongside his brother, he played an important role in mobilizing Muslims against British colonial rule and was also actively involved with the Indian National Congress, advocating for Hindu Muslim unity. Shaukat Ali participated in various political campaigns such as the non cooperation movement and was imprisoned several times for his activism. He is remembered as a dedicated leader who worked for the welfare and political rights of Muslims during a critical period in Indian history. Maulana Shaukat Ali passed away in 1938, leaving behind a legacy of leadership and patriotism. मौलाना शौकत अली एक मुमताज़ भारतीय मुसलमान कौम परस्त रहनुमा थे। वो 1873 में रामपुर, भारत में पैदा हुए। शौकत अली मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर के छोटे भाई थे। उन्होंने 1920 की दहाई में तहरीक खिलाफत में अहम किरदार अदा किया। मौलाना शौकत अली इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के एक अहम रहनुमा थे। उन्होंने बरतानवी राज के तहत मुसलमानों के हकूक़ के लिए अनथक मेहनत की। शौकत अली हिंदू मुस्लिम इत्तेहाद के पुरजोर हामी थे। उन्हें बरतानवी इस्तेमार के खिलाफ सियासी सरगर्मियों पर कई बार कैद किया गया। मौलाना शौकत अली ने तहरीक अदम तावन में भरपूर हिस्सा लिया। वो 1928 में वफ़ात पा गए और एक पुरअज़्म मुजाहिद आज़ादी और मुस्लिम रहनुमा के तौर पर याद किए जाते हैं। मज़ीद दिलचस्प और मालूमाती वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि हर नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको फ़ौरन मिले। शुक्रिया।